Welcome to official SL TV channel. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and share my video and press the red button. Please help me to share my video.
Good morning. Good morning to all Sierra Leoneans. Of course, me Mohamed from Tonai. A peaceful citizen always talk about development. Today, the 16th of October 2024. Of course, I dey still continue for talk about the issue at the National Fire Force, given the latest updates concerning about Fire Force, and I will still continue for talk to His Excellency retired Brigadier Julius Maada Bio, we get a good intention in terms of the agricultural sector in this country. We all agree where His Excellency say they try for embark on agriculture, and we all know how agriculture the developed country. They see today the China, the Singapore, they see the Philippines, the Indians, you name other countries, even America, then they on agriculture, and back on agriculture, better one. We all see, even with local farmers themselves, for now, right now, that new race, they don't begin the harvest time. That new race, they don't begin the harvest time, because if you go apply now, you go know say that new race, they don't begin the harvest time. But like the other one now, in now they begin harvest time from next month now. Inside the November now, and November they can harvest inside salon. We can harvest the rice 3 times. We get then different variety rice. Then they like this other one now where then they harvest right now that 3 months. And the harvest time they don't begin harvest some of themselves. They don't begin harvest right now. Thank you. The angry don't they reduce. So people then at the villages them where then they get time or access for that particular rest day. Then after that, November by next month, and they begin do the general harvesting at the provinces. Then they make them big farm. Then now from November now, then they begin the harvest. Then from there, then December, January, then they do another harvesting back where the one when they plant in a swamp. So I know say from now, this month now, next month to December now, January, people are now upline. Then say then they on serious harvesting now, which of course is very good. And if government come and empower them people they are by give them some of them, give them the seed rice, give them fertilizer. And I remember during the war, Pakaba in time, at that time, myself been there Magbas, where we be going, we be kind of free tongue, we be can take rest na New Englandville, we be going give the farmers and the provinces, especially like Bo, Kenema, who be the go now, Bo agriculture, and who be the go left, the rest, Maburka agriculture, you sabi Maburka and agriculture by post office, and back all, and we don't go na Bo, we don't go give them with the Kenema, and day during the war. So we be the can turn and New Englandville, we be the can take gas seed rice, we they can take some agricultural tools them, where then they be the go give, then be the government be the give the farmers them. So then they all like help, because if government back they make state farm, then if I now say back up with them local farmers and also the time for harvesting the rest they flow. Even this imported rice go dear like how it dear so right now. So if now so it be, then still why make I decide they still continue for talk to His Excellency retired Brigadier Julius Maada Bio, of course, and the vice president and first lady, of course, they be don't pay a visit before 2023 election they come. Then we don't pay a visit in Magbas, where Mrs. SSF aware of, where then go train at the factory, and thank God then go to some people that they don't go see how Magbas don't deteriorate. For you will be Sabi Magbas Trade, where Magbas be in action, then 10 years from now, like the next month, November, from the 15 now to the 20 production kid don't start. For you Sabi Magbas, say like then 10 now, like when I say October now, till the October 16, November now they don't stand by now all till now don't maintenance all the machinery now for wait for November 15 or 16 out to the 20 when they start the production for harvest the sugar cane for can begin produce the sugar producers man make our fames where lot of Sierra Leoneans and the benefits there. But today Magbas don close since 2013 during Ebola time when the Ebola be done dey na this country. So the Chinese them be just move come na Kiama Road. Of course, na Kiama Road them headquarter been there. So when them be done dey na Kiama Road now, still the Ebola not be the go behind the thing just the worst. So from there now, them be decide for go na China. When they decide for go China now, from when they go China now, we no able to see again the Chinese man then come again. So we don't know who say what happen, what made the Chinese and able to come again. So we dey call upon the government and especially His Excellency retired Brigadier Julius Maada Bio for make and go try for talk to the Chinese and back let them go come. And of course, we all know say Sierra Leone with China then get a good relationship, and we they see the donation that with China then they do towards Sierra Leone in development one. So we they call upon the government for make the government go try for engage with them Chinese people there for make them go call them back. And of course, this is not about politics. It's how Sierra Leone for develop. Of course, for you within a new road or you where they travel at the provinces, of course, when they see trailers then they load different type of machine when they carry them go to the provinces. So even that the person not tell you safe sorry, if person not tell you safe when you say they see with your eye compared to trade when Ebola time been there, Corona been there, but we this country God bless we what would they pray for anything God they answer. People then pray, pastor the imam then pray. You say they pray in a little corner, let God put this fitina now we aid. And God make them sick that all don't pass away. We pray for may God make investors and come. Now don't they see how investors and don't they can at the country. You don't understand? Not say because of me not SLPP, me not APC. If SLPP they do something when a better thing, they counter about that one day. No, it not that in a bad politics that one day. Any government of the day, they for serve the country, then they for serve the people them. So now we always see machines them. Them machines they will they see. Some machines they person will couple up then at the site. So that don't you say development they come. You don't say so still continue for pray. Let God make the government count investor them. If you this one I corner say let SLPP fail. If you say na a good prayer that one day, if SLPP fail, now that they suffer, now me too they suffer. Then some man back we tell APC be then a power back. Then say let APC then not do nothing, let them fail, no nothing nothing. Then how the country go develop by that? That in a bad politics. Lord we go to talk to them. Lord will they talk to the government. Now then come and say they want Lord we give them job. Today we don't vote for them, we don't give President Bio job. So waiting now for do now for the tell and certain thing and not to all thing the president remember. For one country not easy. For run country not easy. Just like when you be that in a house. How for run your house, family then they up line down and they so this they call you so this they call you so you know they easy. If you go not direction they get bad name. So the same thing goes to them with leaders they are so. So waiting for they do for they pray for them. Lord go they pray for good leaders them. Not to for Lord go they pray Lord with leaders and so let them not succeed. Yeah, because some man they say because of not in party in a power, you know one let that party they succeed. Now bad politics. Today the development way where the APC be don't do, then where this government can, then will say then they demolish again. Oh. We all they see today the road accidents will be they happen at this Waterloo highway. From when the former president, the past government when they come, they open from PMB Tego Mashaka. Within this SSF, look now how the road accidents don't minimize. Today and they say, hey, put on for don Waterloo highway because some driver they try for knock 9-5 lap, but now it get smooth ride. So when you get good road network, it find out say the accident minimize because when you didn't speed lane, that man they didn't the passenger lane. If you didn't the passenger lane, that man didn't speed lane. So you don't see, it don't minimize. Now development, we don't see. We say the past government don't go build fine hospital na Kairao. Even this present government right now, look the hospital back where them go build back. All this on social media. So then the back all you go say but let the government not succeed. No. The people in backward and then at that one day, any development work at that one day, they say them for benefits. Sierra Leone is not about free tournament, free tournament to Sierra Leone. Not what they think about two brothers in the provinces. Because today, the facilities they in the capital city, they compare with one day in the provinces. So why you not go they pray for we leaders and let them go they succeed, let them count good things in the country. Today not for you again. Oh. What about the pikin when don't born now? What about to brothers and sisters wey don comot na college? Work no dey. But now when you dey na new road, you dey see trailers and dey load different type of machine. As I dey tell you so right now back, you dey see back another ship don come back wey don count equipment and back for the mineral also. When you dey see them thing, dey yat say gladly for you no get bad that for the country. You know, like me, when they see the equipment and they feel happy. I say, oh, thank God. Because all these things here, so they know say work they come for with brothers, they not get job. If you don't get job, don't think about your brother will not get job. Look how brothers and they don't involve themselves into drugs. Most of the brothers don't involve into drugs. Now it gradates them. You not be say you not believe say if job then at the country, some of the brothers where they go and engage to them bad drugs there. So if they need pan work, you not believe say then they all go push the country go before. But look today, how many youth man they don't lost their life? How many youth man they now they're not useful? This all therefore affect to sisters them. Because then youth man they for married with sisters there. So you they find out say time therefore come, we system of sisters there so for make them go get man who they married, they they easy. Compared to the age now, you don't at the age of 25 to 30 years. If you not able married now we don't pass 40 years now, you go able married now by God in power no more now. Now today they see woman they talk say me before I get mate, I get so foot. But now no man they tell yourself say before I get mate, I get so foot. He go tell you say me self if I meet me company self now, I dey beg a lot of manage day. And see me dey na me on side. I dey talk to her and say because meet her with the man. Because for making yourself engage. If they see some woman themselves now, where you see some woman they say put up for them business and now what the one way they don't marry, where they put them a ring there, where they work around, so they catch your hand so now, if they expose the ring, then that other in company I will not marry, say go say me who stay with me go married. Today them boy they for married, they will brother they for married, they will sisters they also today. Look how they don't lavish their life. So you know if you say this the next 10 years you get for affect the country. Now look how work they don't they come. Youth man they don't go out of hands. Work they come, if you not land work, I go get the job. Now the other thing that one day back, brother then they no one for land work. Now, even work can self now, ask yourself question, now work don't come, what you land? That time what they take for they go smoke kush, take them, let go land. If na apprentice will go dey param, tell you sabi drive. When sabi drive, look when they count dumper, then they count motkari, and look Chinese and they count them, then they count boku trailers right now. Look, most of them are taxi drivers, them, some of them are sabi self. Some but of them they right hand with them Chinese man then trailer the way they don't count so you don't see you land book we land work now. I don't see if you land work now you we land book then back up out skill. This now the way they see the Nigerian the Senegalese Ivorians then they develop because after college then they didn't college then they back up out technical jobs because if you learn it if you get a technical job you will learn if you not get office work it they will survive there. But how many banks they will get in this country? Then how many companies they will get in this country? But they see today, some young man today, say no more. He go ride keke self, he don't go land for run keke. At the end of the day, he don't engage, he don't create job for himself. They wait. So me get for come and talk about fire force back, and especially that issue na McKinney. I still follow up that issue in McKinney. Until the last time I've been telling her say that towards that fire will be happen at Radio Maria. Where them been call fire force, where they say fire force, then go there, then say na fear left them. Where I've been telling her say 3 million investigation, and thank God another journalist back there and doing the investigation. Then me say wait me say together. I've been telling her say and me while they talk, anything while they talk, I they send and I they give her evidences them back. I've been telling her by me past audio say even when that fire they be happen, when they ask the driver, there is somebody but the video will see where say what happened, where they say now fear. You don't understand? And when it's in a fuel, so automatically the message not able go directly. So man say na fuel don't pass the motor because the driver don't see na fuel. And when you look why the engine stop? Na fuel make the engine stop. But wait to make it not means when the engine stop, when they say na fuel not be there by the fire engine. No, government need to for buy fuel. For force motor they don't too commercial motor where they work at 24 hours like where they go and take passenger for say like put down go dey no fuel left the driver. So tell pass you see them run, they go buy 1 liter or 2 liter then can't turn. No. Fire engine always get what? It get water, it get fuel. That one day me know they come and defend fire force, but me go tell you say what mean say don't do me own investigation as a peaceful citizen of this country because me say na taxpayer. and me say get a great concern for me country. I dey give contribution to nation building because of wetin make every month if every month if you are selling wetin dey comot per me salary wey dey go to the government, sometimes some man go say adama na boku talk e dey pa. So e no mean say backward dey talk so na for let dem give me job. Me get job now. I dey advocate for other people wey dey no get job. Then I dey talk for brother dem na wey dem get job wey dem dey facing difficulties dem, especially for the firefighters dem. So that particular issue dey, I be tell una say when this motor get a breakdown, when the driver say na fuel, don understand, say na fuel. So somebody wey be accident and dem say for force the motor fuel don left them. How government vehicle fuel dey go left them? So through me sef me own investigation, me own findings, then later when the filter come, and not for say na a secret inside the motor breakdown, the filter come there. When the filter come, that very day the filter bin go, that particular filter there, according to me self invest, me own findings, e bin go per meeting at Potuloko. E no even know say na this no left happen o. After the meeting that very day when he come back, because towards Fokan at the station, he see the motor car, to no even bend new because I go there. Because you see the motor car, don't know say na breakdown. So the filter get for end up for bend for go there, where he end up for go there, where I not go able to call the filter in name because let not go fit say sometimes the person na that particular filter then I ain't go don't give me information. No, because through me your intelligence then call in name when me say self get able for pick up in name. But you say self where they follow, you say self can go and do it find this because everybody get the way where they get in your information. Because me for anything what party of our force, they take me time for make I do proper research and thank God una all know say what you want make him talk. E no kill your culpa because una see when I be make an audio where I send that particular picture of that particular file will be happen at Radio Maria. No, you know me say na bad that very day why make that audio say na in that file they be happen no because if you listen the audio because I know some man go feel say na that day, but when you listen the audio, you go notice not to that particular that day na in that file they happen no why be make me audio. Because the fire be don't happen the day I make the audio because I be wait make I not be make audio that particular day the way that thing be happen because I be time for get information like able time for do research I get a proper information I make I be just attach them and thank God most of that particular video they wanna see so where you see the cable they spark na the radio station. Most of them video then they say I don't see them na social media and if you listen I tell you say now one of my friend we can listen Mohammed they Guinea now he send that particular video there to me. You don't understand? So when he said now, me say the time for do find this. So when I make when I see that video they attach them because some video then they when I see of fire accident or accident and they can happen. I can back up out the video for make una see the reality what you they talk. So now I be make una be see that particular video there. Don't understand? Because some man go say, "Hey, but this fire not to today." No, because if you listen the audio, it go not say that fire not to that very day they want to make that audio that fire they be happen. It be don't pass, but just because of that thing and day, why I don't get information, but just back up and for make let people and see. For you not be don't know say Radio Maria be on fire, but when you see the video, I say, oh yes, I don't see them. So now make a back up that particular video there, and this particular audio why they make so back concern about that incident will be happen. And I can tell you say that fuel tube we been caught. We been caught make the fire engine be hot where they ask the driver where somebody ask the driver when the driver say na fuel we be make the people the information go and say na fuel left for force. You don't understand? And thank God still some people the investigation still they carry on. But me own investigation me say they don't do. So you say self as a journalist or civil society or any other person when you say get interest on this particular thing, you say self go and do your own findings. You don't understand? So what me say don't do me own findings. So I be telling her say that particular motor car they wouldn't go to an station. They try for amend that tube day. Of course, like you na truck driver, me na truck driver. You within a truck driver, I go know waiting at the time for talk. But they make it to the lowest level to make somebody who don't understand about motor car, let go able know. And you know say diesel motor car get two tube. You get the one tube where they draw the fuel from the tank, where they count and at the engine. You get the return tube back. Don't understand? You get how they receive, you get how they return back. Because they take inside, then that's why they return them back. You don't understand so now so then tube then they one part the tube now been caught due to the motor car because of the motor car don't hold when the motor they go inside gallop the aid they grab it they can't do they grab it they can't now you can rest by the tube according to me own findings and Mrs. F don't see waiting and I don't see and I they come I get for send a video let you see back and that tube they not for send a rubber because fuel tube na like it just like freezer For you sabi freezer, behind the fridge, then pipe then they way inside the gas they pass. Now that similar chip then the motor back gets, then diesel motor than I get. So when it cut, so them they try for them the fair way for making more than patch let them weld them that side day. It can happen. Let them weld them back so that let them go manage them for make the mechanic city not go there so motor no day. And thank God for the commander na mechanic day with him in team. Then self go all angle with the entire for call the motor station. After when the defeater don't can detect them, then time for weld the motor that particular tube day. Then I go send that particular video day. Let you see where then they weld them. Of course, if they see where then they weld the tube, that fuel tube way cut. You understand? And thank God, I've been telling us a Saturday, the chief officer be the girl for go McKinney, but I go come that side day, they lack continue for the agriculture sector. And now we they call upon the government for make President Bio go pay attention to Magbas. Magbas are one of the biggest company where they produce the highest income to the government. We look the time where them they export them Magbas sugar, where them they count on our Taki. Trailers and they go load the sugar, them they count out the ship been there na our Taki. Where them they can't turn now. You know how many youth man be survive that particular time day. But when Magbas don't close to right now, the surrounding villages and all where then youth man they go work day. Then now they get job again. So we dey call upon President Bio, like how don't they see development they come now living Lonsar, we all be the member, they told them they said when they call Delco, Marampa. From when Marampa be don't close. How many years? During the past government back where Africa may come back, then self been can now, then London mining can then close them go back. Then this present government don't come back. We don't see back they don't come back, they don't bring up back investors and back. As I tell now right now, we go Lonsar don't change back. The life don't come back now Lonsar. You don't say exactly Lonsar they pass itself now, not go no self now Lonsar. But now we reach Lonsar, reach an NP, now busy area because people are right now Lonsar don't they flop with people and back because of waiting the job we don't can back. So me say what they see, then they go them actions and they I don't imagine I say oh papa go who save Magbas. We go see back ship come back now Taki. We they see trailer then they load and they go there. But me no say any government will get sorry at when people like how the government they do so right now, they see investors and they come. So that's why Mohammed they plead to the government, especially His Excellency, the good relationship between Sierra Leone and China. Let them still continue with them for me them go bring up the Chinese them for me them go back to Magbas. Magbas don't President Bio. Of course, you don't go there. Vice President don't go there. First Lady don't go there. We now all don't see the factory. And when I say so follow the president, some of them first time now they forgo Sabi Magbas. Some man they read about Magbas, never Sabi Magbas. But me go tell everybody where they listen, both home and abroad, for telling us say Magbas are one of the biggest company in this country. No company no the way big past Magbas. Then that they challenge everybody. No company no in this country. Would they employ past Magbas? Who Magbas been there in function? Yeah. Because when Magbas they function, if they see Magburka they get life, Makeni they get life. I'm not talking about the surrounding villages then. Like some villages and where then they near Magbas, like the Masabong, my Yoso, my Sambal, my Moam, Pitfu, you get Komrabai, all them villages and they under people the Chinese them they pull motoka the way then they go sleep there in the morning, then they go then they count will command in the evening after they don't off then they return them back. Like right now they like next month so now they say November production time they come. By then time so now if now the production time then we go na body now. Believe me, they see the youth man with the kind youth man when they cut the sugar cane. Then they cut past them 5-6 plots there. Because the motoka every day then they build the sugar cane. People in the back within the different type of different side na the factory within the work. It get beaucoup process. But today we go Magbas, you was be Magbas water they run eye. When me go Magbas, I see Magbas. Trust me, water run me eye. You know, Magbas Wabi Sabi when that born that grow up. So we talk to the government for make them go try for come up with the Chinese and President Bio. As you say, agriculture is first priority. Do you have will the big people in the north, especially the Magbas, Maburka and then surround village and then they suffer. They know they get access for go for agent to go to cement. They now go get access to a container don't come will go to go offload. Like how we see brother they can go direct. At the end of the day, we getting 50 or 60,000 euros. Odo clean some man pass you gonna farm. Now most of them young man now them they make casada hip then now then young dalo them they help them and meet them back. Most of them all don't can them be big ton there. You see them young man they don't can them be big ton there now. Then they pan keke riding, then they pan bike riding now. You don't see and nobody don't go on for suffer because work no day, but we work now then surround the villages then they. The final say then use man and then go cow something after we don't cow like the tell magbas be the function. You they do body don't do pest. Wait until say 11-12 o'clock, you don't off. We go now, able go rest. Something in the evening, that 4 to 5 o'clock, you able take you say la go make 2-3 hip casada. You see, go make the casada hip, you make potato hip. At the end of the day, the final say the food then they short him. But right now, even the goods said on they short him. Because not everybody get up and right time for go na bush for make farm. Some village and the way make farm back, people and they go and they thief. Now because of job not there, but if job there, some man not go left for go thief again, it dey go work. So that's why we dey beg they talk to the government for make the government go try for cow teach Chinese and back President Bio. We dey talk to you as a father of this nation pa. We born boku pikin, just like the kombra where they born twin them. So kombra the way they born triplex them. But for all that, they squeeze where they suck, they get one day they suck. But you as kombra where they born twin them, you know they let out belle. So you see na the daddy na this country, you have to let out back. So that they picking that this can suck. When this suck, take pull am. This he give this back. This suck, take pull am back. Now so they do, they serve. You see? Today they see roots, then say the boom yanda. You see? When you hold this, then say the boom yanda. Then you don't see them Lonsa, then say the boom yanda. If back the boom yanda, the economy they boom. The economy they boom because then tax and the way they cut by the Oakman and they then say they give revenue to the government. But if better company they know they export. And for any country when they will export, yeah, they imported the campus how they export. They import goods and they cannot also they export. Because they see containers and they come, then they all the rest they say all that thing they have now import and they import them. But Saloti they export now. Apart of timber with this root tie. What they go they export. But when Magbas be today, Magbas they produce sugar, even the imported sugar, where they can't sell. You know they you left so you know more now, all sugar na sugar. Like when you say no more, all life na life. But the sugar different. We get the lump sugar, so man and that lump sugar they use for drink tea. You now it left to you. You see, who say I am rich and they able tie. What Magbas be there, Magbas sugar be big, but we now they eat what they Magbas. You see, Magbas they produce SARS, then they produce SARS man. Young man and they work, but the Magbas don't close President Bio. Of course, you don't pay a visit to the 2023 before they go to election. If you don't go there with the vice president, with other senior government officers, them, we all don't go see. We say self, we help for we count investors them back. Some of the countries, God bless with minerals, they make use of minerals. They need not they say for me, Saloma self, they grumble again, or neither they go do temple run. Because if you get a job there, they pay you fine. Need not they for make you go risky life. Go past na desert, go past na sea. They see how people them, then they migrate not to Salon no more. But towards the minerals they will get in this country, if the government then they make use of them, believe in me, Salon they don't go they go somewhere. Yes, it gets still people even in America, people in the come America, but then they can't work other side. Now so the whole day. But majority, some man you man no go take in 30-40 million, he say la friend program. You get that 30-40 million, then you invest with an back, you get job now when they pay you fine. I go find then too the labor law na this country for revisit that labor law day. The labor law na the labor na this country need for revisit am. The salary scale na this country they make people and they work then they develop. Today they see somebody left France alone, you go America in space of 1 year, then tell you say that man in 90 pound bill house, you don't work for 10-15 years for make a bill, you know able bill. Right now say some man who don't work for how many years, you go ask yourself how much you don't save. You able save self reach 500,000. Most of some man wey they say they save, you get all that resource. Who say they get resource? But at this, you be a salary, believe me, nobody know the way go tell me say, me be a salary right, I able save money. So man, wait till the account, now for the account not close. So how country go develop? How country go develop? If not take go thank you, say brother or sister and diaspora, when they give support to some of brothers and sisters in the country. If for money. Just because they say don't left Salone, then go to diaspora. Look where they go in other countries and they go work and they get money and they develop now. What about we now? Today look at the Libyans. You know, the Libyans, the Gabon, you go Gabon, you go the other countries there, Burkina Faso there, all them countries then they. You know they easy see them no more than they go out. Then they develop through the resources they will then get. Today God bless with fresh water in this country. If the government embark on agriculture, believe me, import rice, if they can't sell, some man they eat and sell. It just like them country chicken there also with English for this chicken where they import in the culture. If you eat them, the taste not be the same. So we own product there as now grade A product them. So we call upon the government for make them go try for bring up Magbas. Then I shift from there, coming to the National Fire Force, the issue will be happen at McKinney. Me say me own to us me find it. I be telling her say the chief officer get for go there, and thank God dem don go there. I been telling her about for me past audio say even as I dey talk so right now, the Nigeria firefighters and then na Salone and dey train the Salone firefighters them for 6 good months according to wetin me say get. And dey the training right as I dey tell una. And so luckily on Saturday the team arrived na Makeni from Freetown, the chief officer, then with some of the Nigerian firefighters, then with senior officers, and now they all go. Then go there, where they reach back na Makeni, then self go give some fire exercise training to the Makeni firefighters. Then I tell be telling us say them promise for go there on Saturday, cause how about what happen na Makeni day, and what happen na Makeni day. So then self they don't go see, and thank God they don't come on Nigeria, but you know. It's a pity for the fire department. I don't know how come Bonge be feel that day. Where even the Nigerian firefighters, the way they don't cancel, if they visit the headquarters, like where they don't go Makeni, so they don't go see Makeni fire station. A bad off. I don't know how you go feel where you see experts then can now. You go to them. How they feel now? Look at the station, and so luckily what team want they talk now. All long go see now. You will go Makeni station. You don't see that Makeni station there. The place don't bad off here and that outside the fire engine they come out. The bad off for look. Then how far in and now they don't go look the station. They don't see. Kamanabonge still get time for do. You get beaucoup thing for do back on a fire force. Although you not get enough time, but you able to do damage control right now. You able to do certain in this short time we not left, so you able to do development back na the different station. Yeah, so the station they need for repair them. Go Kono fire station. Let's go see Kono fire station. And get that station for more than Bilan from Pakaba Internal. One of the contact where they get that particular station for Bilan. Now the station that we don't crack, then lovers glass all them broke. Maintenance the station. Thank God you don't go there now, then you don't see. Even the guy there asks on 2-3 questions. When he says respond to them, but then say don't go see. So until then now when you go see, where you go na the ground you see, need not let them tell you. Person tell you say you don't see the story. Why the end said they know they don't see the lapses within the National Fire Force. Just imagine no. Lord say like whether thing there anything can happen. So until like where them go there so now, sometimes officer collapse, fire engine, ambulance not there. Ambulance no dey, they don't go see. One day fire force motor carry dey. No ambulance, fire station go dey, you no get ambulance. For God's sake. How are you going to do the rescue? Then Kamarabonga, how you dey feel now? You don't see. What Mohammed they talk all this because now they know that they can. We just like where they house. Not say because we be currents now and they left the compound dirty. No, clean the compound for the moment you don't dey. Make sure you clean. They not go no stranger where they come to you. Now Nigeria firefighters don't come out, they don't come. Then they compare to their own fire department and compared to Salone fire department. Look how the station they poto before the fire station. Why they never pave the ground? Sometimes they say they blame the government. No, me at times, and not all team they blame government. Now head of department, so some of them for the blame. You see, so they don't go there, they don't go see. Then they don't go ask them, even the chief officer. Waiting they ask am. He say well they say pa now look the station this now that happen now. Fire engine don done. Then they say don't testify don't go see Makeni fire engine. Thank God wetin one maybe they talk say that fire engine they don done. And the chief officer said oh approve of am. Say yes this fire engine. He say don't see say yes. The answer I say but now we don find out say engine don dey. He say don't testify say engine dem dey. Thank God. He say don't clear and say engine dem dey na headquarter. Then why now? He say well left to your own discretion. As I say, starting job in a discretionary job. So he left to you now, as I be say, the reason not to end the Kamanabonge, and he said, give no reason. Why make no able send fire engine at Makeni? But government don't buy her now. He don't see, he give reason. But what's not the reason when he give back? And he say, don't confirm, say yes, the engine. He say, he can say tomorrow, like that day when they go they start, he can say Sunday or Monday, the fire engine for go back, he able send fire engine at Makeni. But he give question back by that particular response. Which he say back, he say well the fire engine then dey. He say but you don't see the place, you don't see the place because of the fire engine not too high like that one and they were in Makeni. He say because that and back the road them bad because look at the road network even at this part of Freetown and at the same thing even the I1 and the back no all side where they pass best on side and back the damage. So that's why as a expert, as a firefighter, senior as a chief officer. For you, that make me to me say we not to firefighter. We use common sense now. If the motor car they don't low, you don't in a salon, you know say the road network not good. Fire engine they put in for them. Then they make high one them. Look like Sierra Leone Port Authority, that fire engine wouldn't get. It high. Then the any side way goes if they pass. Then why this now a call to concern now, a call for concern to you, Kamana Bonge, for making yourself the next budget life and they buy fire engine there now. Let them buy fire engine. When I hire you one electrical, don't put authority and fire engine because of the road network. So when problem happen, you get for Sudan, you yourself use your own common sense. You say no, Lord do this now. The fire engine don't can now. When all they not go say them go return them. Now my many people are now then they struggle. As I tell you back, even yesterday or the day for yesterday, and then we get another fire back. Then 2 days back now McKinney. Then get scar fire. This car fire back when they get back, part where they don't go patch that fire engine. Then I be telling about I go send the video for make una go see that tube being cut when they weld them. I go send my video when I shot video. When they weld them, but still, if you don't believe back, if you wait see the motor they work, go back, let go do the find this back, let them go ace that cap day. You go see the tube with them weld. Where that tube they now they draw the fuel from the tank, where the fire engine because the fire engine not old, with the air they shake, we can't rest for that particular tube. They cut that tube. But they don't manage. The commander then said don't try, and they said they try. The commander McKenna by B, he need praise because they said don't they try, although they facing serious challenges for that particular fire engine. He ain't mend them, but then they try. You see, then they try, because they're not sit down. They're not. Then they said they yagba the officer in charge now. They already near around. Senior officer they now fit out. All man they yagba for me. Then go make that fire engine. Say let them try for patch this thing. Let them go call fire just on the motor will go. But thank God the commander don't try. They don't go all angle. They don't weld the back that motor they don't weld the tube. Then when they don't go detect now, as I've been telling us, not to fuel been done. Even the chief officer they ask and they say and final say the motor that where that fire be happen at Radio Maria. Then final say they say na fuel. He say well una do una investigation. Me no say this fire engine get fuel. He say so una do una investigation and thank God the commander he say we don't write him own report towards waiting they don't detect wetin the fitter don't tell them. They said they don't write their own report towards waiting me give the call fire force McKinney will proceed where Radio Maria been born. Where some people where they say the driver been saying na fuel. Where people say fire force they don't get fuel. No, me no say government I like fuel structure in the country. Government vehicles they never short of fuel. They get reserve. We be select safe now for run for 3 months safe. Fuel no day. Government vehicles they especially such important vehicles they never short of fuel. Government get reserve. That reserve they are ever big. Commercial vehicles they no will get fuel, but government always they get fuel. So that is the thing we think common sense self now. If you not say that particular statement now because when the driver say fuel and the fuel cut off, they will go into the engine, make the engine be hot. So I go send that particular video. The long I go see them. When they weld that particular engine, that very day where this thing be happen, where the fire engine been go break down, where them be interview, we see video, where they send a fire force and send a fuel. But when they ask the chief officer, he still let them do their own investigation because he knows say fuel day and indeed fuel day. You don't understand? Immediately they don't weld that thing. Even when the fitter cast and they use plastic, they wrap and force, then try for bleed, pump, the thing starts. So they don't go weld them. As they don't go well, but you know, granny na granny. I ever be do now. Granny na granny. It just like come away, post no old, then granny they apply. All day they would have grain in stone for the grain medicine and normally rub. Then country medicine and body. So now tell the fire force must carry na granny there now. We make that today. He go not say I better today. Tomorrow back say hey, I study better, but today this me need. So now tell the fire force. Then they make that still. You don't go believe after when they don't manage, they don't patch that motor car. They then be get a car fire. When they say car fire, now motor car be the born. And then call fire force back. Just imagine no mobile. As the motor car they left na the station, he never even go far back. As he pass the station, no more back, now the motor car hot back. He hot. And then they will reach there. They pan fed for enough for start and back to take them time for do other things and now people in Tinaba and they watch them. And before you remember, the information don't go to Mr. Wame. Say Mr. Wame look for our first motor car don't broke down back. You see? They say then one motor car they born, then the time for go there, the motor car don't hot. You don't see? Then they would proceed to the fire. So then they para now, say the man in Canada, they all to the fire now. Say then they defeat a camera, then they start the motor car now. What they want to I see when I not go again the motor car, the fire they not autumn. Now it happen back. A part of that fire they will be happen back. Last week, that fire be happen back. Where they say na fuel left there. You don't see it? That same fuel where they in at the tank now, and they up to now. You see? Because our first motor car they come out so no more. So this all don't count. It always alarm. Right now, even if fire starts, they said the commander said no what for do. So all thing left to Kamarabonge. As you don't see the fire engine on the now, can go there now. Yes, can go there. Who say bad? Like you say bad road not there, na bad driver. Yes, bad road there, then you get bad driver because where the road bad, for first motor car, it they run. We all know say they run, but where is the two side bad? In a small, kele. e better pass e no dey, let dem go out am. Na you don testify say the fire engine dem dey. He say he left to your own discretion now. Either he say sef tomorrow or today sef the motor car can come. Yes, he get the right. I make her say the government don buy the fire engine dem. Una don see now wetin wan make e dey talk. I say sometimes not all thing we dey blame. Hey, president, na the government, na the president. No, President Bio don buy the fire engine there. He don build 5 fire station inside in first 5 years. They don buy 5 fire engine there. Although the station they not all get manpower. The new station they always President Bio don build na only Kailahun. Pujon say I think na some like caretaker dey no more because fire force officer dey no dey. But the one wey dey na fire force officer but fire engine no dey. So now that fire engine all the government don buy under the leadership of President Bio. So you go say again President Bio no do nothing for fire force. For me, I appreciate. For me, I appreciate wetin the government, the president dey do for fire force because compared to Trade where the fire engine don done, but President Bio don come be fire station there. You no believe say you no know say na job facility dey come for the other youth man dem back. We no get job. Now they don't buy 5 fire engine them. So that one the back, what you go say again? You go say President Bio not do nothing for fire force, but Padia 10 months to now, the fire force officer then they not get the rest pa. President Bio, we not saying a father of the nation. Fire force and they suffer. First lady, you come to woman and then they suffer and fire force 10 months, then they give them the rest supply. The reason known to Kamana Bonge, me I never blame the president too. Because President Bio, if Bonge go meet and say, "Pa, this I want." If Bonge right say, "Pa, I need 10 pickup van them for me senior officers them." The government they buy them. How many pickup van there where the government, the president buy where they give the paramount chief there? How many motor where they give police officers there? Recently, look there. If Bonge right say I need 10 pickup van there for me senior officers then, bo. But for our first today, somebody get position today, they get promotion, they block foot and not get 5 motor car, pass they take keke. They see for our first officer, only keke puda. But senior officer, not the easy. He get driver. One will let you see, he get driver. But for our first, one will station officer not get motor car. So how the fire department they work? Kamana Bonge don't see. Now you don't say don't go clear and say the fire engine them day. You go say self today or tomorrow the motor will go. But the condition we give, he say yes, motor day. He say them day they don't license them as una day. What they tell now? They don't license them. Now what you go talk now about Kennedy now before the Nigeria firefighters there. For you, I know say this some of now will get the news because journalists and they will then cover that program day. You don't understand? So he say the fire engine day, he left for any discretional. He can say tomorrow self the fire engine can come tomorrow today they cancel. Say but the problem no more when you get where they see because of the road network not good. Then why you know say the road network not good? Then why you not budget for fire engine when I hire you one day? Huh? You get motor car wey dem dey for the city. They get motor car wey dem dey for the provinces because the provinces now fire force don go take to the provinces now. The next one now, this don be now, but still send this motor car back na my kin. Let go dey. The driver dem dey take care. The driver then they take care. Yeah. If the lights and several then they done, like one fire engine now, you see one year they we see if that light then they don't self sometimes the road because then they done, then cable they stay up back. Then they lose them, they're able to make cable, they add the cable back, then lose the outside then they stay up so that they don't go broke for identify the vehicle where they be in. We they see them dirty box motor car there, city cars, them motor car where they get at, then Benz and then white one and they lights and right up then they because they know say the road them bad now. So then the ace right up. So even if the motor grease self, that light and then they broke. You see, it go better because the motor car is not a sports car. Now small difference with the other one then they because you watch in a 6 tire. Now back now I can a 6 tire. You see, we don't see that motor car they don't come on a eastern, western and they can eastern and they can't fire. So what about Kamana Bonge? What you talk about eastern back where the road they not good, but that fire engine na headquarter. Then same fire engine they way say they low. Now then they can't hot fire na eastern now. Look at the road network na eastern, but then they manage then they go. So say na make the motor car wey get long tire. So that way the motor car dey reach there. If you don't go close to there, then get the rubber. Then they add the rubber. Then they join them. The fire force officer then they go there. We they see. So that way motor car dey reach. Then they cancel that rubber. Then they join 3 or 4, 5. Then they join them. If they go, you see. So you go better let it go there now. Than this motor car let no wait tomorrow other damage come or go occur. Now look at more. After that incident, another incident happen. Motor car burn fire force and begin go back. The motor car go hot back on them back. You don't see. The motor car done. So he go better let go send and the let go there now. The driver then go take care. You see, so this now be happen. I be telling us how they follow that issue. They say still an option they still a follow. But wait I don't get that from day first now. From where Bonge go there now with in team na headquarter there. From where go there na McKinney there. What me say get that. So he said if you left to you say I they able do for make you get your information. But now this now I will get where me say don't do me own find this. What I don't get. And not for saying a secret to for say where them go na inside room them go talk am no. the Nigeria firefighters dem say don go see, then they even go give some tools, then even give when they reach back, they even go give training to the Makeni firefighters dem back, then tell them back, but wetin dem say don go land. You see, dem say don go land, but then they all wetin make you see one thing na wetin come up in my mind, wey see government make firefighters dem come so, wetin come up in my mind o, wetin dem pull experts in Nigeria for camp, because you know say Nigeria na a big nation in terms of anything in Africa. Nigeria, me towards me, wetin I don see, me won find it, why I see wetin make the government make them fire, because na the approval of the government. If President Bio say let dem no care, dem no dey care. But wetin me see, wetin me own common sense, wey see government cow dem Nigeria firefighters dem so, government get another plan for fire force, and I strongly believe that. If you wey dey work na fire force, if you no know that one day, na wale know that one day, no ever be. Yes, other visitors dem dey come. Then they come from different countries and they come, but for can stay like this meet for me on side of me experience under the leadership of President. I need to come and talk about politics. I'm not a politician, but for me own experience, when me can free turn now, for more I can free turn. This I'm the first thing for see experts then come for can't stay na free turn for 6 good months. Within you don't say what happened this. If you say for a first officer, don't ask yourself question. You say this never be. Which make firefighters then they come for continue for 6 months. Before that, they Bonge then and then they go like Bonge don't go England, Taluba they don't go, and then they go, then they send other officers, then they go do visibility study. But for make them go come, for me, and the first thing is for make you see experts and firefighters, the experts in Africa then come. They can take 6 months for can't for our first officer. You know what that they mean? You know that they sound to you in future. You will work now for our force. With me yourself for. What means they see government get a good plan for the national fire force, and they tell that for free, because something will not happen. You remember the fire incident will don't happen like that PMB incident. We don't see the I don't call it don't Kinjimi and that where that fire be happen the back where them place them baby more no that by near city wall and that we all see back where the mayor, even the mayor. Let's say Yvonne Akiso have been come out, everybody come out, they even connect before for them. Find difficult for get water, then connect from that city council and if for them they go get water. Because we don't see out there also and choke and a government important building a day. Then be able to help for hot that fire day. So all the fire incidents out there happen so, and through them audio their own moment they make back. The government they listen. Not about say government they listen, no president, they listen. Everybody they listen because now we make audio say they go na different group them. Very important. Today, people then they call me for our first PRO. Then there's one of me boss might say, oh, PRO for our first. I just laugh. That don't tell you, so let them sabi for good thing. Today, I be, but me say they create impact na for our force. Me talk one back, they count some changes na for our force. Thank God, because that's the thing the government they know. But through the social media, they make government they know. Something the government they hear and they know, but then they talk, but then they solve the problem. From moment I begin this talk, so till now, government, President Bio don't make now firefighters, they don't come from Nigeria. I say, whoa. What we say one for no how na say they able do one na they able control una fire department under what they waiting na they put in place. Then say when they don't see and thank God they don't go Makeni, they don't go see the lapses where they don't see the Makeni fire station. So you don't see when they say come when they ready for go then get forget them report. But we don't do the training no. But now this now we see. But me go tell na say for our force the next 5 years for our force go change by God in power. Changes must come at the department. For make you see experts and fire experts and come out Nigeria then come for can take 6 months. If you say government just scout then a child's play or a local business, government gets your own reason where they're not going to sound for to we. You see, officers they maybe more than one person now then they go training school. When they go training school then they go tell them but could they me and you two no they no. But could they when they go show them at training school when they can make the decision then they execute them so. Because everybody know you what's in your own part where they do. Then firefighters will come out to Nigeria where they don't cancel. After where they don't do this training. Now a benefit for brothers and back. They say they don't get international experience. Because the international people there now can train them. Because for any time what person don't come on in other countries don't can an expert. They don't can give them their own, they don't can give them training. When they say don't can get the knowledge. What's not be they get now, what's not be they see. Then they don't see now the difference now. They say then they can learn. So you know if you say government gets a plan for fire force, for me then call firefighters then can pay for the hotel fee, then they feed them. If you check how many money government don't spend per them firefighters they will come on Nigeria. So if it's in a local business, now for let tell you say fire force with time e dey change. All dem thing dey na planning. Also maybe wey dey build am, e get for make a plan. Wey draw the plan, e hand over the plan to the contractor. The contractor na that plan dey watch now, e start for lay the foundation, take ace am. So na that same plan the government dey for do, so na for try for how for empower the fire department, because government say know say fire force dem dey behind, because president wey can call dem can call meeting, the government can call meeting, fire force dem dey go there, dey see senior officer dem go to new motor dem, sometimes dey see senior officer na fire force pass e waka for car inside the building. E no dey get motor car na transport, sometimes e take keke or bike dem put am na junction waka take go up. But that senior officer na e no dey sweat, dey inside full AC dey blow am. You see, so Kamara Bonge get a lot for do. Take the look Kisi na back, the fire engine na Kisi don done. Take them to motor distribute the government don buy them. Now president wey no get answer again o. All he left to here, thank God he don talk as he left to you no more now. Now make Aki talk sometimes not to the government for play more, no blame the president. Now Bonge don make am clear as the engine and dey. He can able say the engine dey go market, but me no say wetin no happen, so Bonge go must send that fire engine na Makeni. Send am dey now. Let go there. The driver dem dey take care. They not go use bad way go run go. No, right now dry season don't come up with so now. Then you try for make back, let them write to the government, let them go to machine, let them go grade that side, let them grade the road. Let them grade the road. Now Makeni say the fire engine they come out. Makeni na flat ground. Makeni not get easy. Makeni not get hill so no more. So for say that fire, if we say the fire engine because of a low, now because of the outside the fire engine they come out. But me sabi Makeni, you sabi Makeni, you not get hills them. Makeni na flat ground. Makeni na flat ground. So if that fire engine they go there, it go better. I go stop here.